Latpanchar is an offbeat destination only 45 kilometers away from NGP. October to May is the best time to visit Latpanchar. Beautiful sunrise and majestic Tista River view from our homestay terrace really memorable moment for us. Latpanchar is the paradise of bird watchers.
मैं नहीं बनाता हूँ ना।
Endangered Rufous-necked Hornbills are the main attraction of Latpanchar. It's an ideal place to spend your weekend pleasantly. Only 2 nights staying is enough to explore Latpanchar. It's a beautiful small hamlet in the lap of hills and is surrounded by thickly wooded forest and cinchona plantation.